Now that we know the lunge, I'm going to show you how to incorporate it with the arm movement that we're about to do. Hit that backward lunge, come back. When you come down, I want you to lift your arms straight up. Go ahead, come up, switch legs, nice, with a nice speed. Look at her arms. We got the shoulder, elbow, hand all lined up. Elbows, you want to keep them slightly bent, okay? Wrists are straight, they're not moving around. You want to breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Go ahead and alternate legs. So pushing with the left leg, now she's going to push with the front heel on the right leg. Come up till that hand meets the shoulder. We're going to work the shoulders. We're going to work the legs. We're going to work that stomach. Keep the abs nice and tight. Chest up, shoulders back. Let's get that whole body working right now. Make sure when you go down, the dumbbells go right to your hip. You don't want them to pass because then you're going to get momentum and start swinging your arms.